Club. We meet, we ride, we eat. We're gonna take you through this demonstration. It's raining out there, but it's hot in here. Why hot? We've got this East Side Italian, Brooklyn style meatball. Stephanie has been hand forming these things. Meat from Cataldi, a combination of beef, pork, veal, tenderly formed in love with Parmesan cheese and all the lovely things that make a great meatball. And I've got a bunch of meatballs here too. We are the Veneto Cycling Club. Hey, how long have you been with us?
I'm Tony. I'm a newbie. I started in April.
April?
Wow. Absolutely.
And what do you think of the club so far?
Love it. Riding every Sunday.
Beautiful.
I'm Sam, and I just started riding in April as well. It's awesome.
We met Sam over a couple of us conversation. Yamuya. Come on, talk to us.
I'm Angela. I've actually been with the club 2 seasons, but I feel like I've been here with this great group forever.
Amazing.
I'm Stephanie. I've been riding with the Veneto Club since 2013, and it's the best thing I do all year.
Hi, I'm Rob. I've been here since 2013, and basically I've learned how to ride and cook with Frank.
Oh my gosh, and Rob's from the Friuli division.
Yeah.
Hey,
I'm from the Friuli division.
Let's get right to this. Meatballs. So what do we got going on here? Check this out. Okay, steam alert, steam alert, steam alert. These have been braised. We've been braising these things in the oven. Got a nice little color to them. And then we got some homemade tomato sauce. Steam alert, steam alert.
There we go.
Look at that.
Whoa. Wow. Juicy.
Juicy, look at that. Nice meatballs.
That was spicy meatballs.
That's a spicy meatball. We're gonna put it over here for now. And we'll just take a look at that, a little bit of a macro. Look, that's been soaking in the sauce.
Ooh,
check that out.
look
Beautiful.
at that.
How are we gonna build this one long sandwich? It's very simple. You know, there's some bread. Angela got all freaked out because, am I getting the right bread? Am I getting the right bread?
We have quality
We
standards
got
here.
the right bread. So what we're gonna do is, these guys can wait for later. These guys can wait for later. We're gonna cut through the bread, not right through. We're gonna make a little crevice, little trough here, right? So we just open it up. We're gonna split the Red Sea here. So we're gonna go boom, look at that. We're gonna layer, open that up nicely, okay? So what we're gonna do is, because the sugo is nice and warm, we're gonna take advantage of that warmth of that hot sauce by layering a three blend Saputo Italiano formaggio. What do we got going on here? We've got a melange. Oh, that's French, sorry. That's we got mozzarella provolone and Gouda Parmesan. Now I had the melange was the French part, right? So because we're putting that cheese on, Steph, why are we putting that cheese? Why are we putting that cheese on first? Tacos.
To melt it.
To melt it. Yeah. We've got the tongs, and because we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people, we're gonna do this. Boom. We're gonna boom. And what happens is if we layer that meatball in an organized manner, that means that we're gonna be getting a portion each, a meatball portion each. Boom.
Look at that cheese melt.
That cheese is already melting, and then we're gonna find a little guy. We're gonna find a little guy right here.
Wants a bagel.
So we're not. I mean, let's just get a little bit of that, 3D action happening here. But if you just check this out, wow. There's that French bread steaming hot. There's those meatballs, and there's that sugo. Does someone say sugo? We gotta get a bit more sugo. Chef, grab us a little spoon. So again, what's gonna happen here is that we're gonna press that love in there. In there, right? We're gonna do a little bit of that sugo. Again, that's sugo. All these tomatoes came from Cataldi Fresh Market, one of our loyal sponsors. We've got the meat came, and actually all our food comes from Cataldi, right, Stephanie? And
Shopping there yesterday, what a treat.
Shopping there yesterday. And so we're gonna ladle that on at that conserva for the Calabrese people. Conserva con stanno mai. Guarda sto capo. So, I know Tony doesn't understand that part, right? But we're gonna do a little bit of drizzle, a little bit of olive oil drizzle. Just a little bit of Italian mayonnaise. We call it Italian mayonnaise. Did someone say?
More cheese.
You know what? Before we do the cheese, I think we need a bit of
prezzemolo.
No, basilic. Basilic. Just to see it show. Now, Rob, what does basil give to the dish? What do you think? What does it give?
More umph.
More Yeah. More Yeah, that's an Italian word. More
Oh, you can feel
And
it.
Sam, let me give her a munch. You're gonna leave.
And
Corner.
Absolutely.
Okay, raindrops of mozzarella melange of provolone and they have a little Gouda. I don't know where Gouda comes in the Italian world, but
Maybe it's a bit of
it's a
a
bit of a North thing. But
closer to the Netherlands. It's maybe the north.
yeah, so, yeah, maybe. But you know what? Because we're not going to be doing a side salad, nothing says texture like Mrs. Vicky's. We're gonna put that on the plate here. And we're gonna eat that family style, right?
Yep.
And that's how we do it here. We're just gonna flip that around for a little bit of that 3/4 view. All right? So you see that? Now what happens is we're gonna eat that outside family style. But you know what we're gonna do? I don't know if that's a word. We're gonna put it in there and then we're gonna grab.
vocabulary.
That's a vocabulary. That's a Calabrese vocabulary. But we're gonna do that. We're gonna do this. And you notice that meatball is gonna give us our natural divide.
Wow.
Right?
Easy.
Perfect portion.
Perfect portion of one meatball. And that's just gonna give it a good amount of meat. Yeah, thanks Rob. And meat to bread ratio. And that's how we do it.
Yeah.
East Side, Brooklyn, meatball sandwich, Veneto Cycling Club with friends, food. We meet, we ride, we eat. All right, guys. That's it. Meet you outside.
Okay. Bring the peppers.
We're gonna put the peppers on later.
Yeah, bring them outside.
Yeah, we're gonna throw everything on there. But those peppers are
Hot?
hot.
I'm looking for hot peppers. We'll see how hot they are.